non-journalists alike. Before we go tonight, the stars came out for a Broadway opening, and now Claudia Cohen's going to take us behind the scenes of the hit musical, Showboat. There's nothing like a really good opening night on Broadway, and this is it. Curtain time!
Tell me he's lazy, tell me he's slow, tell me I'm crazy, maybe I know. Can't tell that red of mine.
Look who we got. Look who we got. How can we fail? How can we fail? You've never seen a show like this before.
The members of the cast filed off stage, and we caught up with one of the stars of Showboat, veteran actress Elaine Stritch.
Thank you, honey. Oh, who is it? You are a sneak. Okay.
Elaine, congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Tina.
You've been to so many opening nights on Broadway.
Yeah.
Can you tell out there when the show really clicks?
You bet you can. You bet. Sometimes they tell you that with new microphone things that you can't hear the applause, you hear. And you hear the laugh, you hear. Everything. And that was the night to remember.
Elaine quickly changed out of her costume, and then her friends were waiting to show they remembered her in the time-honored Broadway tradition of visiting the stars' dressing room.
Oh, I'm so glad you were there.
Showboat is playing at the Gershwin Theater. I'm Roz Abrams. We will see you next week.
America's talking.